Marcel, looked like the team was speaking really nicely in the second half. Just walk us through, from a player's perspective, what are you going to take out of this game moving into quite a long season ahead of us?
Yeah, I think it's easy to drop your heads after that scoreline the first half, but I just asked the boys for character and just fight, because that's part of our values here at the Vodacom Bulls, and you never want to lie down. And like the coach said, I think there was a better fight. The game could have gone horribly wrong that second half, but the fight that the boys showed and the character. And when we do set up faces and more patient with the ball, then you get the reward, and that's something we'll drill in the next couple of weeks. Just a bit of composure and a bit of balance between kicking and when to run and to take opportunities. But like the coach also said, breakdowns is a huge factor. Sort of felt like you mentioned, a lot of one-off carries at first half that put your breakdown under pressure. But as soon as we got into system and our pods and stuff, it made it a bit easier. So it's all about just getting that synergy and continuous improvement from that.